Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor X7 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So first of all, before we will begin the whole operation, then let's make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. And I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data because thanks to this you can be sure that you will not be charged for downloading something. So after the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Now just tap on this circle, which is your account. Of course, if you're not currently signed in, you will have to do it right now, and after that just tap on the circle. Here let's enter my apps and games, and here as you can see we've been immediately transferred to the updates section, and here we've got the full list of all available updates. So as you can see, you can check which updates you'd like to download. So for example, you can update particular apps, or if you want to download all of them, just tap on update all. I don't want to do this right now, so I will simply update the Google Drive. Just tap on update next to it, and as you can see it will immediately appear at the top of the list, and after that it will be downloaded and successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually that's all. This is how to update apps in your Honor X7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.